To connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE into your Samsung phone on tablet, first of all, you have to make sure that you have open the charging case with the both earbuds inside. Now rotate that case and click and hold this small button until this indicator starts blinking in the 3 different colors, just like that. Now we can release. If it doesn't work, just simply connect charger and charge them for like 5 or 10 minutes. Now keep that case open and you should get this connection over here. But what if you don't have this one? You will have to basically go into the settings, go to the connected devices, to the connections, and make sure that you have turned on Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth and click on this icon over here to search for nearby devices. Now from available devices list, select Galaxy Buds 3 FE. You will have to accept the pairing request. You will get this downloading of Galaxy wearable plugin. Just like this, as you can see, it's pretty fast. And now we have to accept that end user license agreement, and you can unselect, for example, the automatic updates. Click agree and accept another permissions for contacts, calls, and stuff like that. Now as you can see, we are all set, and we should also get another plugin for Galaxy Buds 3 FE, but in this case, for some reason, it's not popping up. So now, as you can see, we are successfully connected.